Hello everyone, this is Balasundaram, Senior Engineer in Production Planning and Control. I am a BE Mechanical Engineering graduate from 2015, and being a fresher, it is a great opportunity to get placed in a reputed core industry. Here in Mesa, I started as a graduate engineering trainee in production and got an opportunity to work in mechatronics team and then now in production planning and control. Management has given me ample opportunities to learn many things by involving in various projects in different teams and also supported me to pursue Masters in Business Administration too. I thank our MD, GM for giving me the opportunities and guiding me through the difficult situations. I would say Messer is a better place to work for everyone. Thank you.